just so you know, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you know how to participate. Welcome to my channel. My name is Luis Ribeiro, and today we're gonna have a closer look at the RØDE X UNIFY software, 2 USB professional microphones, one condenser and one dynamic. If you want to know and learn everything about these microphones, I have individual videos here on the channel. As you probably know, RØDE is an audio company that creates solutions for musicians, filmmakers, podcasters, all these things, but now they create this brand RØDE X, where it's gonna be focused only in gamers and streamers. The branding is very different. Usually RØDE would be white, very clean, very minimal, but now RØDE X is red and black. This is the XCM-50 and this one is XDM-100. Both of these microphones we will connect on the UNIFY software via USB-C and USB. For now, they just have UNIFY for Windows. I just want to show you a little bit about this platform because it's very impressive what you can do. I'm just want to set up here multi-track so you can see the difference from the condenser to the dynamic. First things first, if we go here, preferences, stereo or multi-channel. I want multi-channel because I want to record separately and I want to be able to change back and forth on my editing software later. I want to be able to have that flexibility on my editing. So now that we have everything set up for multi-track, I want to start recording. Even though you're streaming, doing all these things, listening to music, you're still able to record at the same time. This part is where you'll be able to add different programs in UNIFY. If you're playing a game, streaming, listening to music, you're chatting with friends, and you wanna put everything together, this is the place you're gonna activate everything right here. Before you put music and stuff, make sure that you're listening, okay? Make sure that it's working, and then you come here. As you can see here, I have 2 microphones, but if you want to add, let's say, a music, we just click here. If you want to add a game, if you want to add browser, basically we have all these options that you will have the ability to adjust and tweak this sound. I'm gonna start recording here. 1, 2, 3. So now we should be able to listen from this microphone XDM-100. It's a dynamic microphone, as you can see right now. It's very nice, especially because I have the ability to mount this on my PSA1 Plus, and I can position this very close to my mouth. As you can hear right now, it's amazing. I'm gonna show you right here my settings. If you click right here, you see that my gain is 9. You can always adjust this every single time that you add, but if you already have one, it's just gonna be like this, so it's nice. High pass filter, you have the ability to adjust the gains here as well. Noise gate, compressor, exciter, and big bottom. Amazing features that you can use with the Apex. So basically you just plug and you're ready to go. And you can hear, at least for me right here, it's amazing. Sounds like radio. And dynamics for me is one of my favorites. If you wanna customize even more, you can go to advanced and you see that we have noise gate, compressor, exciter, and basically what you can do here is customize to your voice how hard and how fast is gonna be the attack of the effects. So you'll be able to customize very nice, and it's very professional. If you don't understand this, it's just nice to leave as it is. Right here you will get the job done. Trust me, okay? Just for you can hear, I want to show you, this is the settings that I chose to use. Now I'm gonna turn everything down, and as you can hear, it's still okay, it's still nice. But if we have the ability to use UNIFY with all these settings, see how this sounds compared to the other one? It's very different. I don't really like the noise gate. For my setup here, I think I like this. My voice is very rich, very deep, and that's how I like my voice for now. We're gonna do the same thing with the XCM-50 in just a second. On this other side, you see that we have smart pad section, but it's virtual. Everything here that is sounds, and it's customizable as well. You can create yours, you can import yours. If you go here on the side, you have different ones. If I click here, I'll be able to add and customize, change colors, and give name, everything that I want. You can adjust the volume right here, Basically, when you click this part, you'll be able to choose which output you'll be able to control. There's a total of 5 mixers in UNIFY: stream, headphone, chat, recording, and monitor. If you come here on the bottom area, you see that there is another headphone signal. If I press this, I cannot hear anything, and now I can hear on my headphones. So this is what I'm listening, okay? And here, headphone 1, this is what I'm listening in the current moment. But if I want to listen to the stream, I will press here. I will be listening to the whole stream. But if I wanted to hear what the chat group would be listening, I just press here and I'll be hearing with them at the same time. So this is nice. After you customize the volume and adjust the sounds and everything there, you can make sure that everything is nice and clean. Here, I'm gonna leave for the stream. Now that we understand a little bit more about this part, I'm gonna switch to XCM-50 condenser microphone. Let me put this behind so I can hear. If I press here, now we should be able to listen to this condenser microphone. Very impressive. I never had one of those. I always use the dynamic one, but as you can see, this one is very directional. I need to put very close to my mouth. But this one, for gaming, if you're moving and things, I think this one is better because you are not stuck in one position. If I get close, of course, it will be a little bit more richer, but you can come back and you can customize everything like we did before, and the sound is still very nice. So, XCM-50, we're gonna press. You can see my settings over here. The gain is 12. Let's turn this off. And this is how the sound of the Rode X microphone XCM-50. Let me know in the comment down below what you think. Now we have the gains and everything the same. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. You see that the volume is very low, okay? If I bring this up, you will see the line going up here as well. And should be a little bit louder, a little bit better right now. 1 2 3 mic test. 1 2 3 mic test. Let me know in the comment down below which microphone do you prefer so far, the dynamic or the condenser microphone. And by the way, if you want to win one of those, let me know in the comment down below which microphone do you want to win. Leave a like on this video. Tell me. I want to know. I'm curious. I want to know, why do you think that you deserve to win one of those? Tell me. Tell me. Open your heart. Now that we have a little bit more of understanding of the platform, what do you think about UNIFY and Rode X? For me, very interesting and very handy for voiceovers, gamers, streamers, even podcasts. If you want to do it here as well, I don't see why not. Now I'm gonna finish recording this part. As you can see, the audio is right here, and if I press this, it should add a little mark there. I'm gonna stop recording, and now we have the recording that we made. Everything is gonna be right here. If I click here, we can customize the color right away, the name as well. If I press play, I can hear right away. If I press this, you see that this was the marker that I have. I can get the time, and if that was a part that was very important for me, I can just write it down and take note for my editing. 15 seconds at a time, or just drag to the side. Platform, export with the best settings possible. The UNIFY software will do that for you automatically. Format, you can choose WAV or MP3. And by the way, if you don't have any of the Rode X products to be able to have the UNIFY software for free, you will be able to purchase the UNIFY program by itself, which will be $5 a month or $45 annually. Pega. Then here we have channel assignment. If we click here, this is basically the same thing that we were before. This is the part that I add. Clean. Now chat is added to that session. But if I don't want that, let me just click here. See now that we have chat that we add in that section. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching this far. And if you wanna be a part of the giveaway, it's very easy. Step number 1, leave a like in this video. Step number 2, leave your comment down below and tell me why do you think that you deserve to win a Rode X microphone, and tell me which one do you want. And step number 3, watch these other videos over here. Every single video that I post about Rode X, if you comment, like, and do the same thing, you're gonna have more chances to win the giveaway. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.